Tell me a routine of one player.
Depends on
in
the
Minerva.
tournament. So this is
let
all.
me the big tournament. Let's say the big tournament you're getting ready for all these European clubs.
So we are okay. Let me tell you now. So like the new dream and the new aim, which is even higher than the last one, and takes care of the problem कि अगर वो ना खिलाएं तो क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So 36 में मेडल लेके आऊंगा. क्यों नहीं मेडल लेके आऊंगा? नहीं तो क्योंकि यहीं पे ओलंपिक्स में हो रहा है. यहीं अगर इंडिया में हो रहा है. Guaranteed India will make sure their best boys are representing them and they will make sure with our vote. That I know. So 11-12 साल की उम्र के हमारे so 2000 born in 2014 and 15 are the ones in 34-35 who will be 21 and 22.
Okay, tell me there. Like the team that you're getting
for the
ready for the Olympics.
Now they're going on 7th to the Helsinki Cup and the Gothia Cup. This is the World Youth Cup, Sweden mein. This is the first time these boys are ever going abroad. They are now, I'll give you an example. They are sleeping for around 120 minutes on 5 occasions. 2 घंटे सोते हैं 5 बारी.
ये दिन भर में.
हाँ, रोनाल्डो का जो प्रिपरेशन होता है. Do you know your sleep cycle? REM sleep cycle. Sleep cycle कितने देर का एक साइकिल होता है? 90 मिनट का. सो 120 मिनट में भी टेक के तुमने सोना भी है, तुमने उठना भी है, तो मतलब एक स्लीप साइकिल हो गया तेरा. ह्यूमन बीइंग एक्चुअली नीड्स 1 स्लीप साइकिल. ये तो 200 साल हुए हैं हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को 8-8, 10-10 घंटे सोने की बीमारी पड़ी है. हम पेड़ों पे रहते थे यार. ओके, वी यूज्ड टू हैव 1 meal a day and that also if we hunted that day or gathered, hunter and gatherers gathered that day. And सोते कहाँ थे? पेड़ों पे. क्यों? गिर जाए तो. और कितनी देर कितनी you sleep for 8 hours when you're in the wild? No. So human bodies have been designed in a way that you can sleep for 90 minutes and you get the entire night's thing. But the maximum recovery happens when you're sleeping. Repair happens when you're sleeping. New neurons are made. New cells are made. Everything is done. I understand that. And that's why we do it for 10 hours. That means we sleep for 10 hours. But for 5 different occasions. Because every sleep means you're refreshed and you can work out again. So how many sessions do I have for the kids? 4. Are they all physical? No. If I have a session when I'm showing you analysis session, is as good. If I'm putting you in the pool and it's hydrotherapy, that means we do that a lot. Why? Because in hydrotherapy, the gravity is not working on your joints and you're not getting tired, but you're actually getting the same exercise. So it's great. So if there's a hydrotherapy session, morning gym session, evening session, and there'll be sleep, this food, sleep, this food, sleep, this food, ऐसे करके. How many meals? 5. How big? Small. Itna.
So 5 training sessions.
4 training sessions.
4 training sessions.
5 meals, 5 times sleeping. Now why? Because when I go to this preparing for the competitions, when I go for Gothia and for Helsinki, in my pool, there are 152 teams from 32 nations. Okay. In my group, I have 6 teams. There are 40 groups or 30 groups or whatever. So जब पहले मैच के बाद जो pre-quarter knockout 32, quarter and semi-final happen on the same day. In the morning, afternoon, evening. I'm preparing for that.
It happens for everybody. All the teams.
Everybody, all the tournaments I've won. So when I won those 4, I was in the final of the one, traveled the next day. Next day, first match happened from Helsinki to Sweden. First match happened. Won, did the whole thing. Second last day, won the pre-quarters, quarters, semis, and final, biggest score in the history of football there in Sweden. Next day, went to the next tournament, played the thing. 1 day before the final, pre-quarter, quarter final, 3 matches. Again the final, 14-0. Then went to the next one, did the same thing, reached the final, did that. Why? Because I prepared for it.
But isn't it exhaustive?
Yeah, it is very, very exhaustive. And recovery matters the maximum. That is why you've been taught to sleep within 5 minutes.
Are there other teams who do the same thing?
No. Why do you think other teams don't win all 4? And nobody's won all 4 ever in the history of world football. The tournaments have been going on for 54 years. The kind of people who played there, Xavi, Ibrahimovic, Alonso, David Beckham. I mean, you name the player, he's played in those tournaments.
And they don't play all 4 together because of the recovery point. So why are you playing that? Isn't it very exhausting then?
No.
Isn't it bad for our players?
No, not at that age.
You were telling me about Ronaldo, right? What was the sleeping pattern?
So sleeping pattern is that when he's training, he spends, imagine at this age, he spends $5 million a year on recovery. On recovery, man. So he has a cryo chamber, which is the temperature controlled cold chamber. Then he's a hyperbaric chamber, which
Oxygen,
makes, oxygen, and even then a hypoxia chamber, that means high altitude wala jo hota hai, isme it just that more red blood cells are produced. Then obviously red light, which Haaland is doing and all those things. And then hydrotherapy and this and that. He's doing all that plus his sleep, plus his nutrition. Sunil Chetri is where he is, and he is where he is because of all those things. Because he wants to train more, and he can train more as long as he takes those naps. Those naps are, when they say power naps ka matlab ye hota hai. And this is not for the rest of their lives. This is because they're preparing for this tournament. So now when they're doing this, they need to be prepared when they go and do this and they sleep for this. So that, what are they doing? एक मैच होएगा, मैच के 2 घंटे टाइम रहेगा, उसमें से 3-4 घंटे होगा, 2 घंटे सोएंगे.
But how much does he sleep, Ronaldo? At one stretch, he would
he sleeps. It depends on where he is. If he's playing a season, then he's getting his 10 hours of sleep minimum. Number 9 to 10 hours. But when he's in not having any matches, he wants to train the maximum, and his training sessions are between 90 to 120 minutes plus, then followed by rest or sleep or that for that. And the same pattern is repeated 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Okay. Why? Because you can actually see, you, like I said,
rest, train, repeat.
You get the recovery in your body automatically happens when you're sleeping. The cells, सारा repair. तो वो क्या कर रहा है? छोटा workout, छोटा meal, छोटा protein, छोटा वो sleep. So what he's done is just cut down the day into 4 parts or 5 parts, and it's very easy for the body to take care of कितना repair करना है, because मैंने घंटा ही काम किया तो घंटे का repair है. But इसकी वजह से मैं 5 घंटे काम कर सकता हूँ जो normal नहीं कर सकूंगा मैं, या 6 घंटे या 7 घंटे, because it's done like that. But I am doing it because of this. Now, why am I doing it like this? Because I'm going to, if they have been through, say the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in war.
Of course.
So you want to sweat or bleed, it's your choice. It has to look so easy for them. When I'm saying why do I want to dominate? Because inherent biases हैं वहाँ पे गोरों के. जैसे वो हमारे को देखते हैं that we're going to beat a Gora team, they start screwing around. I'm being honest, they start screwing around कि ये कैसे जीत रहे हैं, कैसे हो रहा है. And it's not because they want to, it's uncognitively bias होता है उनका कि ये तो साले brown boys हैं, how can they be beating us? And वो decisions start going. जब हम 3 मार देते हैं ना, उनको बोला चाहते हैं they're too good for us यार, चलो ठीक है, you can't be. Then they start doing fair refereeing. The same guy. So it's not that he wants to fix, okay? And we beat them 15-20. We scored 290 goals, man, in those 4 tournaments. 290. We had only 8 scored against us. And that's also after Helsinki, we only had the final. So what do I think about that final I lost?
Tell me what happened when they were prepared like this, in this warrior kind of mindset, and they lost the finals. What happened the next morning? What did you tell them?
No, not next morning. They have to forget it then. So whatever happened then, it happened in the dressing room then.
So what happened? What did you tell them after the loss?
If it was the last tournament, if it was the last of the match, the last tournament of the tour, they were going to get screwed very badly by me. But it wasn't. It was the first. And they had not conceded a goal in the entire tournament. The first goal they conceded was in the final. And I knew that we were much better and we didn't play. So if I had been outplayed, it would have been a different reaction. I had not been outplayed. I knew that they lost because they couldn't take the atmosphere. And that was the thing. They've taken it once, now they'll take it again. So I had to deconstruct them and build their confidence up all over. How? Because what the brain remembers is your last match. Okay? Your brain doesn't remember what's happened before. So each boy was shown videos of what they have done in that tournament throughout. How they've been dominating the Goras. And that confidence came back. The moment you had that in the first match, second match, third match, fifth match, and then they were taught right there, that angry thing came in. And there's another speech there that that these guys think that we can't win because we've lost there, and these guys think that we're not good enough because of our skin. These guys think that we're going to show them and this. So that anger which had to be produced was that they can't think of those doubts. ठीक है मेरे बच्चे, उनको physically मार से नहीं फर्क पड़ती यार. Somebody, for example, the highest yo-yo score, which is the intermittent recovery yo-yo score, which is also used by our cricketers, for your senior team is Virat Kohli. My under 13s all have a higher yo-yo score than Virat Kohli. My 13-year-olds and my 12-year-olds have a higher score than Virat Kohli. And I'm saying it openly for an open challenge. My under 15s are crossing him by far. By far. They will outrun Virat Kohli or the fittest cricketer in India by far. Because the qualification for in getting into the team 16 point something, that is what my under 11s give, man. I'm not kidding. See, when you have the ball in the football match for 90 minutes, you have it only for 2 minutes. You don't have it for 90. Doesn't matter who you are. So what are you doing for 88 minutes? When you don't have to? Yeah. And nobody focuses on that. They keep on talking about the bloody ball. Now, like I said, from a sports-playing games, a science-based game, an athlete-based game. If you're not physical, and the only way we Indians can dominate is our physical capacity of our lungs. We make them so big that we outrun you. So, was I the best team? No. Was I the fittest team? Yes. Can you win all matches like that even when you're senior? Yes.
You didn't complete. What did you tell them when you lost?
Nothing. That means you're good enough. This is an anomaly. You just didn't play. I said I was going to be angry with you if you had played and you lost and you didn't give effort. Like, you didn't play only. That's why I know you win, because you didn't play. तुम खेले नहीं हो. And then I proved it to them. When every boy was analyzed कि तुम इस मैच में देखो तुमने क्या किया, same situation में ये देखो 1, 2, 3, 4 तुमने क्या किया. So then they had to be made to believe, oh, we didn't do this, otherwise we are this good. So it's all about making this believe. See, when I'm saying I can make them believe that they are the best in the world by reprogramming them and getting those neurons, it's very easy to deconstruct and make them believe anything you want. You've got kids who are being trained to be suicide bombers. That's how brainwashed they are. Same way, my armed forces boys, I am the one who's motivating them that go die for people you don't even know at the border. So this is nothing, man.
Tell me how to kill fear.
अब fear के क्या reaction है? Depends on what kind of fear you're facing. All humans have the same reaction. या तुम्हारे हाथ कांपते हैं, या लातें कांपती हैं, पेट में गुड़गुड़ होती है, butterflies in the stomach, sweating, heart rate तेज, मुंह सूख जाता है, सुसु आता है, या सब कुछ इकट्ठे हो जाता है. Depending on सामने अगर सांप आ गया तो सब कुछ इकट्ठे हो गया. Depend करता है क्या fear है. So suppose I make you stand on the edge of a 100-story building like this. That's like 1,000 feet. नहीं जी यहाँ होगा नहीं यहाँ होगा. क्यों? यहाँ क्या fear of height नहीं death.
Death. हाँ.
Height तो होती है 7, 8, 10 फुट से. ये death है. मतलब यहाँ से गिरूंगा मैं मरूंगा.
हाँ. Heart attack से पहले मर जाऊंगा.
हाँ, मरूंगा. But if I force you and I make you stand like that every day for 1 hour for 100 days, on the 100th day, will you feel the same amount of fear?
No.
You know that. So that means you can get over the fear of death. Yes. तो क्या रहेगा फिर? Do the thing you fear and the death of fear is certain. ये जो जितने भी sayings, proverbs हम सीखते रहे, मुहावरे सीखते हैं, ये मुहावरे time tested इसीलिए यहाँ तक हैं क्योंकि they've been proven right again and again.
Yeah.
अगर वो नहीं होते तो people से क्या बकवास कर रहा है, साले क्या मुहावरा हुआ और proverb हुआ, ठीक है? So if that's the way. So no one is asking you to get over the fear of the snake. No. But some people who are shit scared of dogs, they will give the same reaction for a dog or for a cobra. Hi, cobra. Hi, कुत्ता. उसकी गलती नहीं है, उसके घर पे कुत्ता नहीं है. या उसको कुत्ते ने 2 बार नहीं काटा. 2 बार काट ले फिर पता लगता है इतनी दर्दी होएगी इसलिए इतनी फटी हैं. It is all about. See, human body is कि हर चीज में जो नई चीज करोगे ना, बिकॉज तुम्हारे न्यूरॉन्स अभी फॉर्म नहीं हुए हैं, तो नई चीज करोगे आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैं मरूंगा तो नहीं? ह्यूमन बॉडी, मैं मरूंगा तो नहीं? सर्वाइवल, मरूंगा तो नहीं? जब बॉडी को पता लग जाता है गारंटीड है मैं नहीं मरता, यू विल गेट कॉन्फिडेंट. अगर तू 100 डे में जो खड़ा हुआ है वहां से 10वें दिन गिर जाता और रास्ते में बच जाता, मगर 11वें दिन तू जाता ना वहां पे, वो तो 100 दिन तेरे को कुछ नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए 101st डे ठीक है यार, आई कैन डू दिस. So you have to actually face it. And fear is something, if you can get over one fear, you can get over all other fears in life.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you'd like to watch more informational and educational clips, please subscribe to Raj Shamani Clips channel and share this video with someone who you think would like to learn more.